Now, tell me where the hippo goes. Where does the hippo go? Good job, yes. How about a tiger? Where does a tiger go? Where does a tiger go? No, where does a tiger go? Good job. Where does the leopard go? Where does it go? Good job. A zebra. Good job. A giraffe. Where does a giraffe go? Where does a giraffe go? Good job. What's that? Elephant. Where does the elephant go? Where does the elephant go? Good job. What do you have? A crocodile. Okay, good job. A lion. Oh, good job. And a monkey. Where does the monkey go? Where does the monkey go, Baba? Where does the monkey go? Very good. Clap your hands. Yay. Clap, Dada, clap. Yay. Good job. Yay. Very good, baby girl. Mwah.